Hello everyone, I am Dol Rajapati, a maths teacher. Today we will start class 9 exercise number 4.4. In this exercise we have two parts. So look at in first part. Give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. So we know that if y equal to 3, okay, if y equal to 3, then we can represent it on our graph like here. We can write 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, -1 and -2. So if y equal to 3, then we can draw this one is our y equal to 3. So this is the first solution of our first part. Okay. Now in second part we need to show this in two variable. That's why we know that if we have only one coordinate here, y equal to 3, that's why we can write y equal to 3 plus 0x. Okay. So we can represent this on our graph. So here when y equal to 3, at that time we can say that x will be a 0. Okay. So we can write when y, this is our x axis and this is our y axis. That's why when y equal to 3, at that time x is equal to 0. So write down 0 and 3. We can draw one parallel line of x axis, okay, like this. So this is the solution of our question number 1. Now let us see in part 2. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. Okay. So we need to represent this on our graph as one variable and two variable. So first we need to solve this equation 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So we can write solution 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. That's why we can say that 2x equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 9 by 2. That's why our value of x is equal to minus 4.5. So first we can express x is equal to minus 4.5 in our line. Okay. Let us see here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. We increase this little and this side 1 and 2. So we can say that these all are negative. Okay, because left hand side of 0 will be a negative. So now x is equal to minus 4.5. X is equal to minus 4.5. So minus 4 is here and minus 5 will be here. So we can express minus 4.5 at here. We can write minus 4.5. So this is our coordinate on x axis because this one is in one variable. Okay. Now second thing is we need to this equation expressed in two variable. So here we know that already when x is equal to minus 4.5, okay. So at that time, what is the value of y? In this equation 2x plus 9 equal to 0, we have no second variable y, okay. That means y is equal to 0. So let us express when x is equal to minus 4.5, at that time y is equal to 0 in two variables. So this is our graph, and we can show that when x is equal to minus 4.5, so minus 4.5 is here, okay, and y equal to 0. So this is y. We know that y and x. So when y is equal to 0, at that time x is equal to minus 4.5. So we can write minus 4.5 and 0. X is equal to minus 4.5 and y is equal to 0. We can draw linear, okay. We can draw our line which will be a parallel to the y-axis, and we can write our equation 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the solution of our second part.